Recipe boxes are something that are near and dear to my heart, and I know that we live in a digital age now where most recipes can be found online, but I hope that they never go out of style. My mom married into a large Italian family, and food was very important. Her recipe box was given to her by my cousin, who gave it to her as a gift when my parents were newly married. My cousin decorated it with daisies and then included several of the family's cherished recipes. Predictable Italian classics like veal scallopini, manigotti, but then there are outliers like Indonesian lamb. But you can tell which recipes my mom made most often because those are the cards that are tattered and stained and well loved, like my grandmother's pound cake recipe. Recipe boxes hold our most cherished family heirlooms, our recipes, a catalog of the things that we love to eat when we gather around the table. And my mom's recipe box gives me such fun insight into how my parents entertained and what they served their guests. Things like my grandmother's hot fudge sauce, recipes from her friends and relatives scribbled on personal stationery and the back of envelopes. I love the Post-it notes that just have some ingredients scribbled on them. There's no method or instructions, so it's hard to know what you're supposed to do with all these ingredients. So for my own recipe box, I wanted to follow in the footsteps of my cousin and provide you guys with 25 of my most cherished family recipes that I thought you would enjoy making throughout the year. You'll find recipes in there for just about every season, as well as a few holiday classics as well. The recipe box is made out of yellow poplar wood, and it has a little rawhide loop on the top to make it easy to open. I just love the sound of it when you put the lid on it. You hear that? Because it just makes it feel like there's something special inside. It has a little groove on the top, which will allow you to rest your recipe card upright so that as you're making your recipe, it'll be easy to see. And any standard 4x6 card will fit inside. So if you have existing recipe cards that you want to incorporate into the box, they should fit no problem. The box also comes with some white tab dividers, which are left blank, because I know that everybody has their favorite categories of things that they like to make. So if you're a real dessert person, you might fill that all with desserts. So I've left it blank so that you can decide. Every family has cherished recipes. I believe it's important to get these recipes written down, put them in a place that you know that they'll be safe so that you can save them for future generations. So whether you buy this little box for yourself or gift it to somebody else, I hope you start your own recipe box tradition that will serve as your family's time capsule to be enjoyed by your children and who knows, maybe even your children's children. Happy collecting!